Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So first thing is we press this little silver button here, which removes the emergency key fob blade out to the bottom of the fob. Using the tip of the blade, it is slightly thinner, we can use that. And just inside the fob at the bottom there is like a little cutout or groove, which is just the correct size for you to put the tip of the blade in, like so. And give it a twist, which cracks the two halves of the case. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. Try and be very careful not to dislodge this little silver button here, because sometimes it can come out of its position and you may need to pop it back in its place. Now we just get a smaller screwdriver and we just remove the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just slide it into the housing, making sure on this particular one that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, be very careful, and we line it all up and we click it all back together, and we just pop the blade back into the bottom, and there you go, it's all done.